Welcome to this quick video tutorial on the issue screen in JIRA. If you are new to JIRA, this is the place where you will see all the details of a task or issue that you are working on. And one important aspect of the screen is the status field. The status field is where you can see the current progress of the task. For example, let's say you are planning a vacation with your friends. You create a JIRA issue for this task, and initially the status will be set to do or backlog. This means that the task has been added to your to-do list or backlog list, but it hasn't been started yet. Once you start planning for vacation, you can update the status to in progress. This means that you have actively working on the task. And finally, when everything is planned and ready to go, you can update the status to done. This means that the task is completed and no further action is needed. And that's it. The status field in JIRA's issue screen is a simple yet powerful tool that can help you keep track of the progress of your tasks. Thanks for watching. If you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up and follow our channel @TechWithJustJingleTingle.